have to transition from a tile that's slightly higher to a tile that's slightly lower in this doorway. So I'm going to show you what profile I use. This is a Schluter RENO-TK, and I cut out the anchoring leg with aviation snips. And I'm going to be using a Milwaukee circular saw with a special blade. This is a 5 3/8 30-tooth metal blade, and I simply just get that up to full speed and cut it where I cut out the anchoring leg. You can see it's a nice smooth cut. The next step is pretty important. I apply thin set to the floor where I'm going to add my tile. Then I notch it using the trowel I'm using, and I also apply thin set into the detra. The cutback cavities have to be completely full of thin set mortar. Then I set the profile into that, and I'll put my tiles over the anchoring leg. The new tile is what's going to hold this Schluter metal profile in place. So it's really important that that tile is bonded properly, and that I also use my T-lock to get the tile grout joints nice and even. But you can see here that that RENO-TK is awesome, and it covers both tile floors, no problem. If you have any questions about this installation, just let me know in the comments, and I'd be happy to help out.